Founded in 2015, the DeMatha House system was established to reinforce the core understanding that DeMatha Catholic High School is one strong brotherhood, which is shaped through teamwork, sacrifice, and shared experience. Through the house system, students are given the opportunity to serve something beyond themselves, and through positive competition to strengthen the important individual qualities of integrity, honesty, and respect. House membership extends the expectation that students are faith-filled gentlemen and scholars, and that they are members of a community that is committed to being one DeMatha. There are 5 houses in the DeMatha House system, and each is named for an important and foundational member of the community. Amico House is named for Father Lou Amico, who started as a Trinitarian prep student. He served as a math teacher, athletic director, superior of St. John DeMatha Monastery, vice principal, and from 1965 to 1968, principal at DeMatha. Donovan House is named for Father Paul Donovan, who, along with a number of other Trinitarian priests, founded DeMatha in 1946. Father Donovan served as DeMatha's first principal from 1949 to 1954. Moylan House is named for Mr. John Moylan, who founded DeMatha's first counseling center and served as both a guidance counselor and an assistant principal before being named principal in 1968. He was the first lay principal in the history of the Archdiocese of Washington. Offutt House is named for Dr. Charles Buck Offutt, who served as the chair of the English department for over 30 years. He taught British literature and for many years guided every senior through the rigors of Hamlet. He was the head baseball coach for 18 years and a legendary offensive line coach for 40. Wooten House is named for Coach Morgan Wooten, who taught world history for 33 years and helped hundreds of DeMatha student-athletes make the journey to collegiate athletics. He led the DeMatha basketball program to 1,274 wins, 33 conference championships, 16 city titles, and 5 national championships, and in 2000 was voted into the Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame. Introduction to the house system starts during the freshman experience hosted by DeMatha's campus ministry office. During what is historically a 2-day experience, students are sorted into houses and introduced to the traditions and mission of the school. They engage in team-building exercises, learn the school song, meet student leaders, as well as faculty and staff members, and write a letter to their future selves, setting goals that they will revisit again at their senior retreat. Throughout the year, the houses compete for points in a number of activities, including dodgeball, ergs, table tennis, Spirit Week, quarterly GPA, service hours, coat and food drives, academic challenge week, and poetry throwdown. This year, due to the pandemic, we made adjustments to our usual 2-day schedule to ensure the safety of our students, faculty, staff, and families. It did not, however, prevent us from sorting the class of 2024 into houses, introducing them to faculty members, allowing them to write their letter, or congratulating them on committing to making us one strong brotherhood. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with us. We wish you the best of luck as you continue your academic journey, and we applaud you for your perseverance and efforts thus far. We are saving a seat for you and can't wait to see you next year.